Hello, I'm back for the second half of the video where I showed you where I was making cards and memory Dex cards. I was making them from the Farmhouse Marketplace collection from Echo Park and also from the Playful Pets. And I just wanted to show you again these memory Dex cards. I can see why people are just having a ball with them because they're fun. I made this one. I showed it in the last video, but I don't know if I think it was off frame for some of them. I made this one from the Farmhouse collection and put glossy answers there. This is from the Playful Pets. This one is from the Farmhouse collection. Wait a minute, I'm missing one. And this one is from the Farmhouse collection. I'm missing one. Anyway, if you stay tuned, I'll show you how I made one of these memory Dex cards. It'll be this one. So if you stay tuned, I'll show you how I made it. Hello, here it is. It was sitting in the Rolodex the whole time. See, back in the day, this was called a Rolodex. For you, this was our contact. We put our contacts here because there wasn't any phones. So anyway, here it is. It's sitting here. Look at how cute. He was fun to make. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Yep. Okay. Let's get this started. Just going to use